Well, here she is. Whew. All the beating's over on the other side. Man. And I tell you what, I think that right there is what saved my life. I really do. Bit my headache rack back. The exhaust is what smashed the headache rack back, and what got a hold of the cab was the guardrail. Otherwise, I don't think the cab would have been beat up too bad. Didn't hurt nothing from there back. Didn't hurt the fuel tank, didn't hurt the step. Let me get inside of it. Bent the steering column. It shoved it up in the dash pretty good. Bent the steering wheel. Whopper jawed the hell out of that. The mechanic, or the truck driver, the wrecker guy, he threw the stack in here. But I'm telling you now, I think that mirror saved my life. It's got blood on it. It's got blood on it right there. And right here, it's got blood on the glass. I wasn't bleeding a whole lot. CB got ripped out. I don't know if I hit my head on that or not. The dash got jacked up so hard, the air vents don't even move no more. This one probably does, because the dash is all busted out of it. Huh. I still can't remember what happened. I remember looking in that mirror, seeing that tire come up, and I don't know anything after that. Dome light still works. I'll bet it'd fire up if it had oil in it. Look here. I guarantee you this thing beat the hell out of me. Full fire extinguisher. I bet that sucker beat the hell out of me. That was my dinner for that day. There's a oil filter wrench. I'm sure I met that thing up close and personal also. What I got here? There's a vent. Somebody said that Larry Stacks was cursed. That's the reason why I wrecked. That was my strobe light for when I was hauling equipment. It ripped it off the top of the headache rack. But I seriously think that I went flying into that, and that's what saved me from going out the window. I can't remember any of it, but I think that's what happened. But when I came to, the truck was laying on that side, on the ground. I had one foot standing there, and one foot standing right there, and my back was right along here. I remember that. And Pooh kicked the windshield in over there, and I reached over here and I shut the truck off. I remember all that, but I don't remember. There's my charger. Oh, it's stuck in the dash. Take the cord at least. Wow. What a ride that was. Well, I guess that's enough moping. I'm gonna get off here and head home. Today's Monday, and I actually worked today and felt good for what all happened. I felt pretty good. My neck's still a little sore, and my chest hurt, and lower part of my back hurt this morning, but it ain't bothering me too bad right now. I got to move around a little slow yet. I can't jerk around just yet. Like climbing in and out of his truck. Hurts my chest. But what a ride that used to be. Boy, I hope we can fix it. Love that truck. Man, I loved it. Take you over here and show you what it done to my trailer. I'm not no trailer expert. Tater thinks we're gonna be able to salvage it. Needs a new headache rack. And I don't think it'll need a whole new headache rack. We might be able to shave that off. And then just build this corner over here back. Well, Tater's weld's held pretty good. Whew. Boy, oh boy. That stake needed replaced anyways. It had been butchered back on before. Wow. Took 3 of the 4 bunks. Didn't even scuff the rims up. Man. Yeah, it tweaked that second one pretty good. It ought to show some stress on it somewhere. Because this one here took a good lick. Like it started to pry it over. Broke a weld there. I think Tater said next rainy day we're going to start tearing the trailer apart and redoing it. They think we're going to be able to salvage the truck. Poor old Blue. Thinks we're going to be able to salvage it, but it's going to be a winter job. We ain't going to mess with it right now. We got logging to do.